Today we wanted to talk to you about the first mistake of the 7 deadly mistakes you could make in regards to handling a car wreck case. Hello, I'm attorney Don McClure in Houston, Texas.
Hi, I'm Edith McClure.
And the first mistake that somebody can make is just simply talking too much or talking to the adjuster.
Yes, the first question that we always get after a car wreck is, should I be speaking to the adjuster? Should I be letting my attorney talk to the adjuster, or should I call my insurance and let the adjuster handle it?
And it's really not a simple question. That's why it's really good that you talk to your attorney first. There's 2 answers. It depends on the situation. If it's regarding your own adjuster for your own insurance, you do have a duty, you do have an obligation by contract with them to provide a statement to cooperate with them. And if you don't, they could deny coverage.
Yes, and that is only for your own insurance.
Now, that would be in a situation, for example, where the other person didn't have insurance, or where you were trying to use your own insurance to hurry up the process to get your car fixed, or in a situation where liability has not been accepted yet.
Mm-hmm.
But most cases, there is insurance on the other side. There's somebody who caused the wreck. Their insurance adjuster will call you. In that situation, you do not have an obligation to speak with them. You don't have to do it.
No, and actually the best thing to do is let your attorney handle it, because it is so important that you know exactly how to answer those questions, because their main thing is to get all the information they can and all the details that they can to use this information against your claim, to minimize the damages or even to deny your claim altogether.
That's so true. It's about denying your claim, delay everything that happens. Although right at first, usually what they'll do, they'll contact you right away and say, oh, okay, so, we can go ahead and offer you this amount of money right now.
Yeah, so we've seen a lot more of the verbal agreements where they will offer a dollar amount to the person and who has been injured, and they will accept it verbally over the phone. And they take that as a final settlement, and it's very hard to go back on those.
And this may be only a few hours or a couple of days after the wreck where the person doesn't even realize they're injured yet.
Exactly. A lot of the times they just kind of, feel you and see how you're doing. And then based on that, they just give you a ball amount of what they think will be enough to cover for medical bills and expenses, not knowing really whether or not you're going to need more treatment or, how badly you're injured.
That's very true. So if you decide to talk with the adjuster, make sure you stay calm.
Yes.
Make sure you be polite. These tips, by the way, that we're going to go over are in my book that you can get your free copy at texasinjurybook.com.
Yes.
But keep in mind that don't give a statement if you are on medication.
Yes.
If you are in a lot of pain.
Yes. If you're feeling bad and you just don't feel like talking to them, you don't have to. It's okay to let them know, you know what, I'm not feeling great. Let me speak to my attorney or let me call you back. That is completely fine.
You do not have to feel pressure.
Yes, don't give a recorded statement.
That's right. And if you do talk to them and you want to talk about the accident, don't be very specific. You don't have to tell them exactly how the wreck happened. All you need to tell them is where it happened.
Yes.
When it happened. Who was driving, the insurance information, and that's all at this point. And you can say, I'm still looking into the other facts regarding the way the wreck happened, and you don't have to say anything else.
Exactly. That's all you have to do.
Now, the same thing with your injuries.
Yes.
Okay.
So make sure that you get your free copy of our book so you can get all the information you need to know on how to win your accident case.
That's right. And so as far as the injuries, keep in mind that you can just say you're hurt. You don't have to say how much. People have a tendency to say, oh, I'm fine, or I'm just a little bit sore. Don't do that, because remember, the very first thing we all told y'all is keep in mind the insurance company, their number one job is to keep you from getting a fair settlement. It's more money in their pocket when they don't pay out on claims. So don't give them that opportunity. Don't let them twist your words. Even you're telling the truth, even though you're telling them everything that happened just perfectly, they will twist it and find a way to make it sound like you're not hurt or that you were at fault for this wreck.
Or they will deny or delay your claim.
Absolutely.
All right, get your free copy.
Yeah.